I'm going to show you how to create UGC ads like this.
If you're training consistently but still feel like you're not making progress, I've got a solution. I was working out regularly, but I'd run out of energy, feel sore after every session.
And the crazy part, this influencer isn't even real. Yet, he can still promote your product, connect with your audience, and potentially make you a lot of money. In case you don't know, UGC stands for User-Generated Content. These ads are everywhere right now, and there's a reason brands love them. They don't feel like ads. They feel like a real person genuinely recommending something they actually use. And brands are paying creators anywhere from $100 to $500 per UGC video. But here's what's changing. AI can now do all of this in minutes. You get the same authentic look, the same raw feel, but without the filming. We're talking about AI avatars that look and sound like real people. But what if I told you you could create one without filming yourself, hiring an influencer, or spending hours editing? That's where Dzine AI comes in. Dzine AI is the ultimate cheat code for faceless creators. Instead of paying for 5 different expensive subscriptions, Dzine brings some of the world's top-tier AI models, ChatGPT Image 2, Nano Banana, GPT, Kling 3, Cadence 2.5, and more together in one single dashboard. Making a UGC influencer video usually requires a massive budget, jumping between multiple websites, and practically a degree in complex prompting. But with Dzine AI, you can create realistic UGC-style ads using AI from the influencer to the voice, all the way to the final video with perfectly synced lip movements. And the best part? The entire process can take just minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete workflow for creating a UGC influencer ad video designed to grab attention and drive action. Sounds interesting, right? Let's get started. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. So, let's start with step 1, creating our AI influencer. The goal is simple: create an avatar that looks and sounds real enough for your audience to actually trust. Here in Dzine, I'll click on New Project and then select my preferred aspect ratio. On the text-to-image feature, I'll click here to select my preferred style. For this kind of realistic AI influencer, I'll select Dzine Realistic V3 because it does nail that authentic, real-life look I'm going for. Then, I'll paste in my prompt. For the prompt, I made sure to include hyper-realistic details, like subtle skin imperfections, visible pores, soft lighting, slight unevenness, and natural skin shine. These little details are what help make your AI influencer look much more realistic, so feel free to tweak the prompt to fit the look you want. Next, I'll select my preferred aspect ratio, which is 9:16 TikTok size, and then over here, toggle it to HQ for higher quality results, and here's the image of the influencer it generated. You can actually see the subtle imperfections in his skin, and that's exactly what makes the image feel much more real and less AI generated. It generated 2 variations of the influencer, so you can choose whichever one you prefer and customize them however you want, like changing his outfit. To do that, click Chat Editor and select the influencer you want to work with. In the text box, you can type a simple prompt like, change his outfit to a yellow, sporty, trendy outfit. I'll leave it on Nano Banana 2, then click Send. And here's the result, the same face, but with a completely different outfit. I also generated him in a selfie style. Here he is working out in the gym, so cool. Step 2, placing the product. Now, I already have the influencer we generated uploaded here. Next, I'll click on the second photo icon to upload the product I want him to advertise. Then I'll type something like, let him hold the product in a UGC-style product introduction, no text included. I specifically add no text included because sometimes AI can add text when it thinks you're creating an advertisement. I'll keep it on Nano Banana 2, click Send, and here's the result. Super cool. Now we have our influencer naturally holding the product. Step 3, lip sync. To animate the influencer and make him talk, this is the script I'll be using. This is the prompt I used to generate the script, and I'll leave it down in the description, so feel free to tweak it to fit your needs. Now, to lip sync, click on Lip Sync. It has automatically selected the face. But normally, you can select multiple faces if you want to create a multi-person lip sync with 2 or more characters. Then, click Next. Next, click here to choose a voice. You can also clone your own voice and use it for the video. There are so many voice options to choose from, but we want this to sound as natural and realistic as possible.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer. Fear is the little death that brings total.
So I'll be using an 11 Labs voice. Here in 11 Labs, I won't be walking you through this step since it's pretty straightforward. All you need to do is choose a good, natural-sounding conversational voice, and Brian fits perfectly for this influencer. I'll select it, paste in my script, and generate the voice.
But still feel like you're not making progress. I've got a solution. I was working out regularly, but I'd run out of energy, feel sore after.
And honestly, it sounds really good and realistic. I'll click here to download the audio and then upload it back into Dzine. I'll move the audio a little further away from the beginning of the timeline to give it some breathing room, so the video doesn't start abruptly with the influencer immediately talking. And now, let's see the final result.
If you're training consistently but still feel like you're not making progress, I've got a solution. I was working out regularly, but I'd run out of energy, feel sore after every session, and honestly, my progress just felt stuck. Then I started using Dzine Creatinine Premium, and honestly, it's a game changer. You should try it out now. The link is in my description.
The result looks pretty natural, but for a good converting UGC ad, we need more variety. Instead of using just one still video, we don't want the content to feel like an obvious ad. We want to structure it in a way that grabs the audience's attention and keeps them watching. And this takes us to our final step, creating the UGC video ad. For the ad, we want the influencer to start by casually talking with the audience before introducing the product. So, to achieve that, I'll toggle here to video, select one of his photos where he isn't holding the product, and for the end frame, I'll use this one where he's holding the product. Then, I'll paste this prompt, instructing the AI to animate him naturally, talking, and then picking up the product. Next, you can select from a variety of video models like Minimax H3 and many more, but I'll be using Cadence 2.5. I'll adjust the duration 10 seconds is fine and then click Send. And this is the result. I really love the way it starts. It feels natural and engaging, so I'll be using this video as the starting frame. Next, I'll lip sync the voiceover script so he can actually say it at the beginning. Still in the video section, click Lip Sync. For the voice, I'll upload the audio just like we did earlier. You can also adjust the voice to make it shorter. Since we're going to be adding more video clips later, we don't need to use the entire clip here. We just need the starting portion. Then, click Generate, and here's the lip sync.
If you're training consistently but still feel like you're not making progress, I've got a solution.
I also generated another video of him to add more variety to the ad. And finally, it's time to edit everything together. I'll be using CapCut for this. I'll add the video I want to start with, and when he stops talking, I'll simply overlay the workout video since he mentioned working out in the script. For this part, just feel free to get creative with your editing. Next, I'll add the video where he's holding the product, since that's where he starts talking about it. I'll keep the conversation flowing and adjust each clip until everything fits together naturally. You can also add captions of your choice to make the video more engaging and keep viewers watching. Here is our final video.
If you're training consistently but still feel like you're not making progress, I've got a solution. I was working out regularly, but I'd run out of energy, feel sore after every session, and honestly, my progress just felt stuck. Then I started using Dzine Creatinine Premium, and honestly, it's a game changer. You should try it out now. The link is in my description.
For creating videos like this, just a quick reminder, Dzine gives you 100 free credits every day, so you can start creating without spending a dime. Grab the link in my description and give it a try. And if you want to unlock even more, you can get started with plans as low as $8.99 per month. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments I read and respond to all comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.